In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Skyblock in Minecraft. So you'll need to go into a trusted site like Minecraft's maps or maybe curseforge.com and basically search for Skyblock and download it, the map as a zip file. So for me, I'm going to Minecraft's maps. So go to any browser, go to the URL section and type Minecraft's maps.com. Once you do so, this will take you to their websites right away. Of course, you can do it also in CurseForge if you want to. And we'll basically, let's just verify that we are human. We'll basically have to go and look for Skyblock. You can also like in Google type Minecraft's maps Skyblock right away like this. So Minecraft like maps Skyforge or Skyblock, sorry. So Skyblock like this right away, and you'll get right away like the option to download it, as you can see right here. So if you go through here, you'll basically have to go for search and look for Skyblock. It's basically the same like steps. So click on search. Of course, you can choose like category and stuff, or you can search, it doesn't matter. So the results, okay, let's just go back then to this. Why not? So yeah, here is it, Skyblock. Of course, there's even a lot of maps as an example. If you want to see like a lot of maps, for me, I don't care. I'm just going to default Skyblock, and here we are. So what I'll have to do, you can go and look first of all for other versions in here if you want to. You will be able to go and click on it and look for other versions. For me, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to click on download here. I'll get normally a zip file. So yeah, they'll show you here how to download and stuff. I don't care. I'm just going to click on download. So here we are, our zip file. I'm just going now to open the zip file. And as you can see, I get two options. I need just this Skyblock. I'm just going to copy everything in here. And I'll open Windows R. And simply, I'll type percentage app data percentage. Hit the enter button. I'll be taken here, go to .minecraft, go to saves. And simply, just create a folder, name it whatever you want. You can name it like Skyblock and enter it, paste everything, and you should be good to go. So you can just go and open your Minecraft, go to single player, and you'll find Skyblock. So if I go and open that, let me just go, and here we are. We are in Skyblock. I'll find my chest, and I can start working without any problem, as you can see. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.